All right, mate. SNX wanting to go all the way to $2. It is looking weak. Now it's very interesting because it had this sort of this trend line, and when these trend lines break, it's going to run pretty hard. But the problem is it could never break that, and it rejected with the overall market. A little bit like back in the day when we had this trend line, and you get that final rollover and flushes all of these stops under here, and flushes everything before getting the real move. We have now flushed all of the stops from this entire move, and we've returned to the scene of the crime. The scene of the crime, obviously, is where the price broke out from originally. So it's now getting, extremely interesting. If we get to $2, that's another 50% drop. I mean, that would be a gift, I think. No need to buy yet, of course. We're doing the same as a lot of these coins, and we're forming this weekly inside bar. Now, what we want to see, for the bulls is this stop hunt of this level to hold, right? And then I have to draw this candle bigger, but what we want is to have something like this, next week. So on a new week, we form a wick down, then it pops back up and flips green again, and from it flips green, then we continue higher, like here, almost identical to this sort of situation, where it flips down, runs the stops, pumps up, flips green, and then away we go. That's the reversal. This is the type of reversal we're looking for. And if you get a reversal like this, as soon as this flips green here, you want to be buying this. And we are in the same situation, where that's what we need to be looking out for. The problem is it may not happen until a new 2-week candle, because this is a small inside bar on a 2-week as well. So, is it going to happen on a new week or in 2 weeks' time? Time will tell. But if we see it happening, we need to get on board. $2 would be amazing. I mean, $2 is the all-time low. That would be a flush of the all-time lows. I mean, if we get down to this area, well, you have to start thinking, well, just start buying some and accumulate it, and continue adding on dips. If this did run the whole way back down there, and you started to buy a bit here and add the whole way down, as it's bottoming, at some point it's going to come back.